Welcome to the Cohen Veterans Bioscience Post-Traumatic Stress Disorder Knowledge Map powered by Exaptive. In our last video, we mentioned our network diagram is laid out this way because we are looking at the path analysis panel in the default view. That means our settings say color connections by relationship, and connection width should correspond to the number of citations that support the connection. We see our key underneath the network diagram, telling us any lines that are blue will show citations in publications that found evidence of association between the two entities. Orange shows positive correlation, green shows negative correlation, pink indicates one entity increasing another, purple indicates one entity decreasing another, light gray represents no change, and dark gray is for everything else. This line here is thicker than this line here, so I know this connection has been found in more citations in our research space than this connection. If I hover the cursor over the line, look at all the information we see about the connection between these two entities. What's the relationship? In which category is the context of the study? Provenance, was this information from a review or from primary literature? Species, what organisms were tested? How many citations have been found in the research space? And how large was the study size? If something says NA, the metadata is not available for this particular heads-up display, but you will be able to find the literature to read regarding this connection. We'll do that in the next video. So using the color key, we can see over here these lines are blue, so we know research supports an association between PTSD and oxidative stress and psychological trauma. And this pink line with the arrow going this way shows us studies found psychological trauma increases PTSD. If we hover on this purple line, it shows us one article found evidence that sleep deprivation in a study of humans led to a decrease in antioxidants. We can also ask our Zap to color the connections by provenance. So citations that were found in an introduction will show up in this peach color. Citations from a results section will be in blue. Citations from the abstract will be green, from the discussion section will be orange, and from a review will be purple. We can also color connections by our familiar species list. We can change our connection width to be an indication of the study size, and where before a thicker line represented more citations, in this view, the fatter the line is, the larger the sample size in a study. But now that we've changed our view, we see these dashes over here. That just means that there is not enough information about the size of the studies for the Zap to indicate thickness for this connection. So we've explored cell aging as it relates to PTSD, and now we're just one click away from seeing the literature. And we'll do that in our next video.